Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. It's Alan with Union Grove Machine and Tool. Today we're going to continue with our unboxing of HAAS tooling. Today we have a hand deburr toolkit, item number 09-0154. This one is $10.97 on sale with a full price of $17.95. I also bought it with a pack of 10 blades, item number 06-0459. Again, these are made in China. Let's see here. It did come with a pack of 10 blades. And it's just your standard deburr set. It extends, rotates, pull back. You can change the blades. And it looks like it has storage in the handle as well. It's tight. Okay. It does have storage in the handle, but I can't get it open, so we'll have to pry that open. But yeah, there it is. Hey guys, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share. See you on the next one.